Boatworks Today is a viewer-supported show. To learn more on how you can get involved and watch extended ad-free versions of these videos, please visit our website, boatworkstoday.com, and click on the top of the heading where it says Support This Show. Thank you. So welcome back, everybody. I hope you're all having a great weekend. My name is Andy with Boatworks Today, and I'm not going to lie, this past week and a half, I haven't had really hardly any time in the shop. There were some things that came up with my parents, and well, they needed some help. And when your parents need help, you pretty much drop what you're doing and you help take care of that issue. Now, the only reason I'm bringing this up is because this particular issue has a potential to be ongoing. So if there are some days, over the next month or two that they need me to come in and help out for whatever, a day or two or a week, whatever it may happen to be, if it's something that they need, it's what I'm going to be doing. So if there's a little bit of a break in kind of how content is rolling out, well, that's why. Now, not hopefully. Now, my sister is coming in, you're seeing this Sunday morning. My sister came in last night, and she's going to be here for 3 weeks to kind of help out as well. So at least for the next few weeks, things should be fairly normal. So I'll be getting started back up on the Bertram Monday morning, and I'll have the next project video ready for you next Sunday morning. But until that time, I did have something kind of exciting happen yesterday. I'm not going to be one of those mushy kind of unboxing kind of people, but I at least want to share it with you and say thank you. So this past July, my channel reached 100,000 subscribers. Now that's the first level or tier that YouTube considers as far as sending out any kind of a reward. And they also have rewards for 1 million and 10 million and evidently 100 million for PewDiePie evidently as well. But at 100,000, you get what's called a silver play button. And when I got back to the shop last night, this was what was propped up against the front door of the building here. So very cool, very, very, very cool. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to make this some kind of a big mushy, big thank you thing. But I do want to say thank you, to everybody that's subscribed, everybody that tunes in each week and watches these episodes, as well as everybody that's over on Patreon that helps to make this channel possible. So for everyone there and you, like I said, everybody that watches, thank you very much. I truly, truly appreciate it. So the next goal now would be to try and reach 1 million. And to be honest, I don't think that this channel has that capability to actually reach 1 million subscribers, but hell, I mean, who knows? I didn't think this channel had the possibility to reach 100,000, and well, here we are. So, but I'm not going anywhere, so who the hell knows? Stranger things have happened. So once again, I just want to say thank you. Hope you have a great week, and I will see you again next Sunday.
This has been a Boatworks Today production.